Three, two, one, action. Maybe I was making my last video about this fondant. But then this is, remember this cake? It has been sitting at the corner for quite some time, you know. So this caused it to start melting. You see, all the body has melted. I just saw the melting process and I could not record it because I don't have the second phone. But if you watch here, you will see all the fondant. Damn, this is nasty. But it's not smelling actually. So practically, this will happen when you leave your fondant for a long time. But on the second note, I don't think this will happen during Harmattan season. Ooh, the top is just still soft and soggy. So I'm just gonna be cleaning up these dummies and showing you. I'm bringing it back to the original state. Then you know then you see the reason why it's actually good to wrap your dummy with cling film before you start icing your cake. So we're gonna start off with this. Damn, this is nasty. I don't know if you can see my face very well. I'm just going to be shifting this to this side. Damn, this is nasty. Ooh. I have a bin right here, by the way, so just in case I'm not going to be putting this on the floor. Ooh. Ooh. Actually, the layer of cling film protected it a lot. I think I'm just gonna lift this up. Woo! I can actually scrape it to the table. Then from the table, I would scrape it down to the bin that I have just right here on the floor. Woo! This is out. So I'm just going to be scraping this one back to the bin. I'll continue. If you can observe, this second layer, this second tier of cake is quite unaffected because remember when I was doing this crackles, because of the humidity and everything, I had to bake it so the fondant would dry faster. So this, what you're seeing on the body is just this one dripping to this body, basically. So I think it's still like unaffected. Ooh, it's still heavy. It has still a little bit of weight to it. So I'm just going to be opening the center. Ooh. I'm unwrapping it. Ooh. 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 Wow, the top. Clean up the top and putting this aside, and I will just be trashing this in the waste bin. For the last layer, wow, this took a hell lot of. So, is this recording? It is like in the show. You know the black. Okay, good. So I was just like put. Damn, this is nasty. Ooh. So yeah, this has most of this has peeled off. So I'll just keep this aside and try and clean this board as much as I can. Can this board be saved? Maybe next time I'm gonna wrap my board too. I'm gonna be using this board a lot though. Maybe next time I'm gonna wrap it with fondant. I guess. Yes. So unwrapping this, I will just unwrap this layer of cling film out, and voila, we got ourselves a clean layer of dummy. Because you see why I'm wrapping this is so important, because then you would get to preserve your dummies and you'll be able to use it for a very, I think, forever. I don't think this dummy will ever spoil. Voila, clean dummies. Voila. So I think that's the end of this video. Basically, it's just like a quick video on how I clean my cake after it's been left for like, I think that was probably close to a month. So basically, if you want a video of a time lapse video on how the whole process went, or on how it like integrates. Is that correct English? I don't know. But then I just asked in the comment, basically, I'm gonna create a time lapse video. This took like 1 month or so. So I'll have to sacrifice my other phone for it. I just keep on recording. When the battery dies, I'll go charge up to full battery, record. Whenever I'm home, I'll just keep on recording during the daytime. And basically that's it. So the next video, I'm just gonna make I have small phone not remaining, so I'm just gonna make one layer of, I think, a box cake. My hand is quite messy right now, so I'll not be able to touch that phone down. But from looking at it, I think it's still quite good, and it has been there for quite some time. You know, we're not in the harmattan season or in the really dry season, so phone can last a really long time out of the bag. You just need to like keep on kneading it back and forth, so it will not get so stiff and so thick on the outer shell. So I think I'm gonna catch you next time. Peace.